Well, come back to my channel. The coin spot today is Best Top 3 Coins 1. You want to miss? We're diving into the world of United States coins. Please don't skip this video. So let's get it started. Top 1, the 2020. Australian $2 coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II. With comprehensive information and extended paragraphs of verse design, the 6th. Portrait of Queen Elizabeth Iatha. Obverse showcases the 6th crowned portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Designed by Jody Clark, marking the first time this effigy appeared. On Australian circulation coins starting in 2019, the Queen is depicted facing right, adorned with the George IV state diadem and the historic Victorian coronation necklace. Her name and country are inscribed, Elizabeth II, Australia 2020, with the designer's initials JC subtly placed below. This portrait replaced the previous Ian Rank broadly design and remained in use until the transition to King Charles. 3's portrait in 2024, reverse design, Aboriginal Elder and Southern Cross. The standard reverse for this year features the iconic design by Horst Hain, showing the stylized head and shoulders of an Aboriginal elder. Based on the drawing of Goya Jungarai 1 Pound Jimmy, accompanied by the Southern Cross constellation and native flora. The denomination to dollars is modestly placed near the figure. The edge includes interrupted milling. It's divided into 4 smooth segments, separated by retted segments, typically 5 grooves each for easy tactile recognition and counterfeit prevention. Commemorative colored variants. 2020 Olympic Series in. The Royal Australian Mint partnered with Woolworths to issue a colorful commemorative series celebrating the Australian Olympic team, featuring 5 $2 coins each in a different color representing Olympic values, plus a separate Paralympic green and gold coin. These aluminium bronze pad-printed coins weigh 6.6 g, measure 20.5 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters thick, and were mass-distributed via supermarket change between mid-2021, totaling roughly 12 million coins. One variant, for example, bears the inscription Courage with Mount Fuji and cherry blossoms in red. Another uses green blossoms for dedication. Labels include striving, passion, each within their colored theme mintage and circulation. Standard circulating $2022 coin featured the regular reverse with the Aboriginal Elder. It's composed of traditional aluminium bronze, 92% copper, 6% aluminium, 2% nickel, and uses standard minting mass-produced at the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra, beginning October 2019 in uncirculated sets and rolls. The mintage is estimated in the range of 16.1 million for circulation coins. Combined with the colored issues distributed via Woolworths 12 meters and special RAM sets, special silver and proof versions aside from circulation coins, in 2020 the Perth Mint issued a 2-ounce .9999 fine silver Lunar Series 3 coin celebrating the Year of the Mouse, featuring Queen Elizabeth II's 6th portrait on the obverse and 2 mice among stalks of wheat and corn on the reverse. This coin weighs roughly 62.2 grams, is 50.8 millimeters in diameter, and was aimed purely at collectors, not legal, tender circulation. Additionally, fine silver-proof $2 coin featuring the Aboriginal Elder reverse and Jody Clark's portrait was included in the Royal Australian Mint's annual proof year set. With a weight of about 8.55 grams and issued in premium presentation cases, storage and collecting tips for preservation or display. Use protective capsules or coin flips, particularly for colored variants or proof. Silver versions these can help maintain sharpness of pad printing and prevent tarnish or handling wear. Keep coins in low humidity, stable temperature environments, ideally with inert inserts or collector's albums. The RAM issued information cards and coin cards add provenance and value. Circulating coins often trade for near face value, while colored commemorative issues can retail around $35 Australian dollars. Though rare variants, for example, dedication with low mintage may fetch more among collectors. Top to the 2019 Australian $2 coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II, covering design, composition, history, and availability overview and commemorative context in 2019. The Royal Australian Mint RAM released a special circulating colored $1 coin to mark Australia's rugby team Wallabies. participation in the 2019 Rugby World Cup in Japan, the Ram distributed approximately 2 million coins via Woolworths supermarkets, making them legal tender and readily available through supermarket change or sold as uncirculated coin cards for about a UD3 each. Obverse front, Queen Elizabeth Iotha. Obverse features the fourth portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, sculpted by Ian Rank Broadley. It shows the Queen facing right, wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, along with the inscription Ilisea, PTH, to Australia 2019 IRBean. 2019, the new Jodie Clark effigy fifth final portrait also began issuing on coins. But this Wallabies edition used the Rank Broadley portrait reverse back Wallabies rugby designed, in full color. The reverse portrays a stylized wallaby holding a rugby ball next to a prominent five-pointed star, enclosed in a circular band featuring green, yellow, and blue, the national colors. For additional seven-pointed stars are arrayed around the circle. The legend reads, TWO dollars Wallabies, Astra. A use of pad printing allowed vibrant color on an aluminium bronze planchette, a production method used for other Ram circulating commemoratives in 2019. Physical specifications: composition: aluminium bronze alloy approximately equals 92% copper, 6% aluminium, 2% nickel with pad printed color weight, approximately 6.6 Ju diameter, 20.5 thickness, 3.2 edge, alternating 4 plain segments and 4 reeded segments. 5 grooves per reeded section, mintage and circulation mintage. Approximately 2 million coins entered general circulation. Around 1.83 million seen in circulation, while 170,000 went into coin cards sold separately. Distribution released on the 18th of September 2019 via Woolworths tills at face value. Collectible versions at supermarket service desks. Significance and rarity: Coine is one of a series of colored $2 commemorative coins issued by Australia's, some of the few such circulating colored coins in the world. It's a collectible piece due to its limited mintage and appealing colors, especially among coin collectors and rugby fans alike. Market and collecting circulating coins can still be found via loose change or online for AOD 1.702, 2.10 tilde, USD 1.302, 1.50 depending on conditional circulate coin cards price around KUD 3.302, 3.50 tilde. USD 2 variants like Mr. Squiggle Series Remembrance Day and Aboriginal Elder $2 coins also issued in 2019. Some carrying the newer Jodie Clark portrait, especially the Aboriginal Elder type in context of 2019. Portrait transition while 2019 marked the debut of the Jodie Clark effigy on Australian coinage. More modern 6th portrait featuring shoulders and coronation necklace, most of the colored commemorative to dollars coins, including the Wallabies edition, retained the older Rank Broadley. 4th portrait. Mid-2019 onwards, circulating coins gradually transitioned to Clark's portrait. Samaritha 2019 Wallabies. $2 coin is a colorful, commemorative piece celebrating Australia's national rugby team, featuring the traditional Rank Broadley portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and a vivid Wallabies design on the reverse. It was issued in a limited mintage of around 2 million, mostly circulated through supermarket tills. Its distinctive color, relatively low availability in uncirculated form, and sports theme make it especially collectible. Top 3. The 2018 Australian $2 coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II, with long format paragraphs covering design, variants, specifications, and market details overview and commemorative context. In 2018, the Royal Australian Mint Ram issued multiple colored circulating $2 coins to commemorate key national events. The primary issues included Gold Coast 21, Commonwealth Games Series, 3 separate colored $2 coins featuring the official games emblem, the Australian team logo, and the mascot Burrup Invictus Games, Sydney 2018 coin featuring a wheelchair. Athlete Design Amestis, Centenary Remembrance Day. Eternal Flame coin, commemorating 100 years since the end of WWI. Ram released millions of these coins into general circulation, predominantly via Woolworths, supermarkets, and Ram. Distribution: obverse front, Queen Elizabeth I all 2018. Colored commemorative to dollars coins carry the 4th portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley, a right-facing bust wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. The legend reads Lisa BTH to Australia 2018 IRBL though. The Jodie Clark portrait, the fifth final Elizabeth II effigy, began appearing on Australian coins later. These 2018 issues maintained the rank broadly. Image reverse back. Designs and symbolism. Gold Coast 2018. Team logo coin. Features the Australian team logo encircled by blue and yellow rings, evoking the sun and coastal environment. Legend. 2018 Commonwealth Games Team. AOS Commonwealth Games 2. DOL Lowers Gold Coast. 2018 Emblem Coin. Displays the official games emblem within a red and gold circular band. Legend 21 Commonwealth Games Gold Coast 2018 2 DOL Layars Gold Coast Burrobi Mascot Coin. Similar colored style featuring the game's mascot Burrobi the koala. Part of the trio released for the game's Invictus Games coin depicts a wheelchair athlete symbolizing courage and resilience of wounded veterans. Issued ahead of the Sydney Invictus Games. Mintage around 2.3 million Armistice. Centenary Eternal. Colored coin marking 100 years since World War I Armistice. Design includes a flame motif in remembrance. Mintage approximately 2.0 million circulated coins, plus limited uncirculated editions and PNCs. Approximately 7,500 to 39,000 physical specifications and production all standard colored. Dollar to coins from 2018 share. The following specifications composition. Aluminium bronze, approximately 92% copper, 6% aluminium, 2% nickel, with pad printed colored designs weight. 6.6 J diameter, 20.50 thickness, approximately 3.2 edge. Interrupted milled alternating plane and reeded segments with 5 grooves. These coins were issued for general circulation. It's made available through Woolworths supermarket checkouts and RAM distribution. Networks mintage and circulation figures according to RAM data. Total $2 coins dated 2018. 14.6 million coins. Struck specific commemorative mintage Gold Coast Games. Coins. Around 2.5 million each or collectively. RAM lists approximately 2.5 million. For Invictus Games, see below Invictus Games coin. Approximately 2.5 million released to circulation armistice. Centenary Eternal Flame. Approximately 5.7 million according to RAM table. But Numista indicates approximately 1.658 million circulated plus 7.5K and 39K uncirculated variants collectability and market value circulated. Colored coins in mixed grades usually trade at a slight premium over face value, typically between AUD 2.30 to 3.50, IEUSD 1.70 to 2.50, depending on design and conditioner circulate and PNC postal numismatic cover. For example, listings around a UD 650 or a U185 for limited issue, UNCs, PNCs sold via eBay or specialized dealers. The 30th anniversary 2018 12 coin, uncirculated set celebrating key past $2 designs, is a special release containing 12 distinct designs often sold as a collectible set to commemorate the coin's 30-year history. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.